upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions while having a little fun along the way. Today, we've got a steamy showdown that's hotter than a sauna in July. We're comparing the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. On the left, we have the Kenmore SM2050, a mop that promises to clean your floors and sanitize them like your mom used to do when you brought home muddy shoes. And on the right, we have the Neugo Steam Mop, which sounds like a fancy Italian dish, but it's actually here to tackle grime like a pro. Let's see which one of these bad boys will reign supreme in the battle of the steam mops. First up, let's talk about the price. The Kenmore SM2050 comes in at a budget-friendly $89, while the Neugo Steam Mop is strutting its stuff at $119. That's a difference of $30. Reviewers of the Kenmore appreciate its affordability, calling it a decent and effective option, especially for those cleaning up after kids and pets. On the other hand, Neugo users feel that the extra investment is justified by its robust performance and variety of attachments, making it a worthy splurge for those serious about steam cleaning. Now, let's dive into cleaning power. The Kenmore boasts that it can remove 99.9% of dust from your floors, making it a dust exterminator. Reviewers praise its effectiveness on various surfaces, though some mention it may not be as powerful in disinfecting as desired. Meanwhile, Neugo cranks up the heat, with steam reaching 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than many of its competitors. Users rave about its ability to clean tough grime and leave surfaces sparkling, suggesting that Neugo may have the upper hand in terms of intense cleaning power. Next, let's talk versatility. The Kenmore is a 2-in-1 handheld steam cleaner, praised by users for its lightweight design and multiple attachments for various cleaning tasks. However, some reviews indicate it may not be as effective for certain surfaces. On the flip side, Neugo comes with a whopping 10 accessories. It's like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops, allowing users to clean everything from windows to grout lines, making it highly recommended for those wanting a multifunctional cleaning tool. Now let's talk user-friendliness. Kenmore has swivel steering, which helps maneuver around furniture, and many reviewers appreciate its lightweight design. However, some users note a short cord length as a downside. Meanwhile, Neugo features an adjustable height and a 23-foot cord, which users love for convenience. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and quick heating time, making it a favorite for those looking for a user-friendly cleaning experience. Overall, the reviews for both steam mops highlight distinct strengths. Users of the Kenmore SM2050 appreciate its affordability and lightweight design, but some express concerns about its steam power and cord length. In contrast, Neugo users rave about its cleaning effectiveness, versatility, and user-friendly features, although some struggle with disassembly of the mop for maintenance. So which mop is the ultimate winner? If you want something budget-friendly that gets the job done and has some nifty features, the Kenmore SM2050 is your guy. But if you're ready to go all in on steam cleaning with extra accessories and power, then the Neugo Steam Mop is calling your name. Ultimately, it all comes down to your cleaning needs and budget. Remember, the best mop is the one that makes cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a dance party. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product comparisons, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you're taking home. Until next time, keep it smart and steamy.